Welcome to the soil inspection performed by Meshach Ndarwa with Safari Plumbing. The property address is 1929 Beverly Drive in Pasadena 91104. I spotted a proper clean out located on the front. There's a nice clean out 4-inch with a black cap. Ran the camera to the city channel at the middle of the Beverly Drive. The city of Pasadena is responsible for the lateral down the street. Anything back from here, even though it's in the street, is considered a homeowner line and responsibility to maintain the line. And we start inspecting the line from this location. The line we are looking at is basically called clay pipe. Clay pipe is a mixture of shale and clay heated up to 400 degrees to achieve vitrification. Clay pipe is a good material because it does not corrode as other pipes or erode on the inside. Every section there are connections. Like this is a connection right here, and these connections, due to ground movement, they tend to shift. It can range from mild, medium, and severe. On this case, you can see it's shifted, which is very little. It's nothing to worry about. We normally check for breaks, cracks, or root intrusion in the line. Like this is a connection, looks perfectly seamed together. Another section here that has a minor root intrusion on the left side. Roots are very common in clay pipe, as they tend to look for moisture, water, for the trees to survive. This is a 6-inch diameter clay pipe. At this location here, which is at the city curb, the line transition to cast iron pipe. Cast iron is basically steel, metal pipe, round, can range to 4-inch, 2-inch, 3-inch, and 6-inch in diameter. This line right here is a 4-inch diameter cast iron pipe. Cast iron has a tendency of corroding on the inside and thereby causing a buildup through oxidation inside the pipe because of salt in water. And cast iron can last up to 55 to 65 years. As we can see on the cast iron inside, there is excessive corrosion and buildup, thereby indicating that this line has reached to the end of its life expectancy. If you look on the bottom left, you can see the crack on the cast iron. That's the line makes a 45-degree turn to achieve the trajectory of the pipe, because the pipe is supposed to go from shallow to deep. That's a vertical drop, about 4 feet drop, and a 45-degree turn at the property line. That's what we call a test Y. Test Y was basically installed during installation and was used to test for any plumbing leaks. They used to plug that section and fill the lines with water. This excessive corrosion and buildup, as you can see, we will recommend upgrading this cast iron by form of excavation. All this will be included on the report. As you can see, the bottom of the pipe, chunks and debris evident on the bottom. The line is still performing, it's not backed up. But if paper towel or non-biodegradable product goes into the drain is at a high risk of backing up. We will give the recommendations on the report under the findings section. Now we're coming to the end of our inspection, and and that's a proper clean out, and this completes our sewer inspection. The line is about 66 feet to the city connection. Thank you.